Hello and welcome to our YouTube channel, Miriam, Leonardo, Tango.
Today we want to work on a beautiful embellishment for the follower.
This will be going around in a circle, surrounding the follower for the leaders and a beautiful embellishment.
How to do it without kicking everyone at the Milonga, right?
Yes. So if you are ready, let's start working right away.
Okay, here we are at the dance floor. Let's try this together.
1, 2, and 3. Pa pa pum, pa pa pum, pum pum pum, pum, pa pa pum pum. Yep. So this is a fun figure to do at the Milonga. So well recommended.
So to avoid kicking people around you for the follower, we are doing a side step. And I'm starting the embellishment, in this case, keeping my knees together to my side. So it's not on the back, it's on under the frame, under his arm. So this is our own area. So from here I can kick and then feet together, pivoting, following the leader's rotation, and uncross to step again with my left. So when is the moment to do it, I let him move around me, and then I throw the point leg back and feet together. So the first point again is when he's walking on my right, and do it this way. So I feel very much like I'm opening the right shoulder and I keep the leg under my arm. When he's moving, I keep doing the circle and lower it to feet together to step on this one and uncross to step with the next one. And from here we're going to resolution. In this case, you can do
Any other figure.
and you can do more than this. We are using 3 just to make one turn, and you can use it for navigation.
Basically, the way we do it, and the way naturally happens dancing at the Milonga, is I start walking around her and she realized that she has that space, and later on the second or third one that I've done this second part, she will do the embellishment. It is rare for the follower to know right away that you are going to do that. So basically, if without embellishment, this is the step. 1, pa pa pum, 1, almost like a tiny ochito. She realizes that she has a space, and then she can do tan tan, pam pam, pa 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 pam pam pam. Yeah.
That means that there is no lead for this.
Exactly. I normally, what I tend to do, there is a lead. We can exaggerate the lead, create a kick on the back, but it is extreme.
It's mostly an embellishment,
Yeah.
ornament that you can use it when you feel the moment. And we are showing you here to create the space with your torso, to do it without bothering your partner or other people. So mostly on all the embellishments, you have to know how to create with the upper body the position and the time to do the embellishments. So this is what we are focusing today on this one.
Mm-hmm.
So
So now, try to follow us. We're going to do this now together. So we are here, pim, 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 pim.
the other
And
side.
here we go. Before we continue with the second part of this video, we would like to invite you to check out our website, Miriam Leonardo Tango.
This is an awesome online tango school where you can see a lot of videos, a lot of technique, a lot of topics, all you need.
You have the option to have downloadable videos or also watch all of them as part of our Tango membership.
Once again, the website is miriamleonardotango.com.
Now, let's continue with the second part. And 1, 2, she will kick, and then we rotate to step around. Step large, step higher. Step large, step higher in shoulder. At this last one, we are going to uncross, pass by feet together, and a normal resolution like in the basic step.
For the followers, one more time, when we are doing the embellishment, we keep this area closed. Be careful, don't open side and side. We are trying to create embellishment, rotating the hips, opening the torso, very much to this, but I'm not pulling to that. So I have to keep the torso square and twist the hips to do it, to get back, to do it, and to get back. So let's show you that. Side step, back, up, cross, step up, cross, step up, cross, and resolution. So if you notice, this area was mostly on the same place, trying to create the rotation and the embellishment from hips, but not moving upper body.
Yes. So now another thing that I'm doing is I'm lifting and trying to step very, this is for the technical thing. When she steps back, when she's kicking, I try to step with my left very close to her base foot. Yes. As an embellishment, it's like touching and walking and touching and walking. Touching means staying very close. At the very end, also as an embellishment, what we can do is just, instead of touching, you can cross, so we have the space to lead the uncross and walk out. Let us show you from this angle what we mean by that. 1, 2, and closed. 1, and close to her base. 1, close. If I do one more, 1 and 2, tack, crossing, just to resolve.
The energy of the step, the figure is kicking and going down. So this is a syncopation. Yeah. We go 1 and 2, 1 and 2, 1 and 2. So it's bouncing. It's not 1, 2, down. Okay, don't hold it. Bounce and down, bouncing and down. That will keep the rhythm, and it will be without stopping the leader. So we keep the beat stepping down. 1 and down.
Bien, very good. Now we're going to do it one more time with the real speed. And this is the moment that you show your love and put a little heart here. You put a like on the video.
Like. Share with friends.
Yes, it really helped us to grow the channel. Thank you very much. We appreciate your support. And here is the speed. 1, 2, and 3, and 4, and 5, and 6, and 7, and 8. 1, pam, pam.